Are you in some type of sexually, no, incestuous, what's like a nice way of saying incestuous relationship? Romantic. Are you in a romantic relationship with your dad, question mark?
So our case hinges on her telling you no here. No, she has no legal understanding of any of this. None of this matters. In order to successfully sue me for defamation, ignoring the fact that she would even have to show damages, right?
What is defamation per se?
Defamation per se is a defamatory statement made about the plaintiff where damages are implied as a matter of law. Usually the statement will be about the plaintiff, saying that the plaintiff is a criminal, suffers from a loathsome disease, engages in unfair business practices, or is some sort of a sexual misfeasant or malfeasant. In these types of situations, the law implies damages. So what normally would be the most difficult part of a defamation case, which is damages, is now implied as a matter of law.
You have to prove that, like past even the 50% hurdle, I don't know what they call it, clear and convincing is what they call it, for the actual malice. You have to prove that I'm like acting with willful recklessness, that I I know, or at the very least have a reckless disregard for the truth as to whether or not they're fucking.
What is actual malice?
Actual malice is a situation where a statement was made that was not only false, but that it was made recklessly or maliciously. For example, you knew or should have known you should have investigated to see if that statement was true, but you didn't. And because you didn't investigate to see if it was true and it turns out it was false, you got a problem, because that public figure, who normally wouldn't be able to sue you for making an untrue statement, now has a green light to do it.
For defamation, for public figures, you have to prove, it's a very high standard of proving that I'm knowingly lying about her having an incestuous relation with her dad. And there's like so much content online that I think it severely undermines the damages part. Like, so many people have said this, they've made content out of it, and I think it undermines the fact that I'm knowingly lying about it, because I don't know if they've talked about fucking each other and shit. I have no idea what the actual truth of the matter is. Do you think they actually did such shit? 100%. I put a decent chunk of money that Ben's dick has been inside Grace at least once. Probably before she was 18. Hopefully they don't rape the rest of the kids too.
Is that the one who fucks her dad?
Well, no, that's the one who gets fucked by her dad. It's a little different. Ben Thorp, aka Abel. Don't you have a daughter to go rape or abuse? I hope that Grace stops fucking her dad. Don't fight with somebody who's nothing to lose, because they got nothing to lose.
Such thing as bad press. They will act unhinged, and they will do whatever the fuck they can to draw attention to themselves. But for you, you're essentially like fighting with a nobody who can never suffer reputational harm because they don't have a reputation, or it's already like the worst type of reputation they can have.
That's not true. That's not true.
It was true. You guys are fucking weird and fucking each other.